Welcome to English Quizler. Today we've got something fun and super helpful for all English learners. 25 Proverbs quiz questions with multiple choice options. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more awesome quizzes like this. Ready? Let's dive in. A rolling stone gathers no moss. Better late than never. Every cloud has a silver lining. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Where there's a will, there's a way. Too many cooks spoil the broth. Actions speak louder than words. Rome wasn't built in a day. A picture is worth 1,000 words. All that glitters is not gold. The pen is mightier than the sword. Don't bite the hand that feeds you. Birds of a feather flock together. Jack of all trades, master of none. The early bird catches the worm. Curiosity killed the cat. Honesty is the best policy. Don't judge a book by its cover. Practice makes perfect. Old habits die hard. When in Rome, do as the Romans do. Strike while the iron is hot. The grass is always greener on the other side. Two heads are better than one. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. Awesome job! How many did you get right? Let me know your score in the comments. I'd love to see how you did. If you found this quiz helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss more fun and useful English lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.